Yes, hi, good morning. Today's trend, as I said, buy on dips. Now we'll select the option 77,900, which is now trading at 500, 504, 510. This is the entry point, 500 to 510 range. So this will be the entry point, and let us wait for the target for 600, 610. Okay, and the stop loss will be 150 points, that is uh, 350. So 450 and 400 also you can add one more lot and one more lot if you need. Okay, so this is how our system works. Let us see what's going to happen. See, now it has moved, the time is 10:12, it is moved to, our option price moved to nearly 550. Today, so Nifty expiry is there, that is the reason as we know, on expiry day, particularly Nifty, the market momentum will be slow. Okay, so we can expect this target easily, but let us wait. Yes, at 100 points down. So our second average also has been done. You see the low is 389. Okay. Now having done with this, our target will move to 500. Okay. Otherwise 350 will be the stop loss, and target would be at 500. That is first entry. Why? Because the market is not cooperating with our direction. Okay, so sometimes we may take stop loss also, right? So that is the reason. Now we may take stop loss at 350, otherwise target at 500. Why? Because 100 points with two lots now. Okay, so average will be 450. No, so 50 points into two lots will be the regular daily profits we can make. Otherwise we may take stop loss at 350. Right, let us wait and see. Now the time is 10:49. Let us see. Actually at 10:16 this option price has made 597. We were waiting for 600, 610, but unfortunately with 3 points only we missed. You can go into chart and check the high there. 598 was the high, 597, 98. Anyways, so we should follow the system. This is the thing. Let us wait whether we take target or stop loss. Yes, see, this is 500 trading now. Our target achieved. Okay, our target achieved for today. It is 500. Now, as second average, today also 2000 will be profit. Thank you.